In this video, you'll learn how to set up scheduling in Calendly. By the end of this tutorial, you will have created your first event type and configured your availability, calendar connections, meeting locations, and how to share your booking link. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once you have successfully signed in, navigate to the scheduling section located on the main dashboard. This area is where you can manage all your events. After reaching the scheduling page, click on the plus create button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. This action will prompt a new menu to appear, allowing you to select your event type. Choose the one-on-one event option from the menu that appears. You will then be prompted to enter specific details about for the event name. You might want to input something like consultation call. Next, set the duration for the meeting, selecting from options such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. After entering this information, click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Next, navigate to the Availability section. This is where you will define when people can book meetings with you. Set your working days to Monday through Friday, and then specify your working hours, such as 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. After confirming your availability settings, make sure to click Save to ensure your preferences are recorded. The next step involves connecting your calendar to prevent double bookings. Go to the Integrations or Calendar Connections section. Here you can connect either your Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. Once you select one of these options, follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Calendly will automatically block any busy times on your calendar, ensuring that your availability is accurate. After connecting your calendar, it is time to choose the meeting location. Open your event settings and locate the location option. You can select from various options such as Zoom, Google Meet, a phone call, or a custom location. Once you make your selection, meeting links will be added automatically, streamlining the setup process. Now, you will need to set scheduling rules. Inside the event settings, navigate to scheduling settings. Here you can establish minimum booking notice, buffer time between meetings, daily meeting limits, and the booking date range. Adjust these settings according to your preferences, as they will help manage your schedule effectively. Next, add notifications and reminders by going to the Notifications Workflows section. Enable the options for a confirmation email, reminder email, and follow-up message. This ensures that both you and your clients receive important updates regarding the meetings. Finally, share your booking link. Click on the share button and then select copy link. You can then send this link via email, post it on your website or WhatsApp. Once this is done, people will be able to schedule meetings with you directly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.